Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode we have this cool, amazing part right here in my hand. As you can see, it's by the brand right here on top. Basically what this is jump starter that you can also use it as a power bank to charge your devices if you guys want to. But first thing first, let's actually open up the product to show you what's provided inside first. So when you first open the product, this is basically what it looks like inside. So they do provide you a nice little case for the actual product itself. And that's basically everything inside. So here is the product. As you can see, the brand logo right there. They do have a little wristband that you can use to carry around with you guys if you guys want to, if you guys can see. And then here's a zipper that was used to open up. So you guys open up the product itself. This is basically what's provided inside, if you guys can see. So first thing you can see is the actual cable itself for jump starting your car right here. And then they do provide you guys a little user manual right here to teach you guys how to use it and everything that's on the product itself. So let me actually take out everything to show you guys what it looks like. So here are jump starter cables, if you guys can see. So they do provide us little wall chargers and use to recharge the product, if you guys can see. Next we have this little part right here that you can use to plug into the actual power bank itself. And then plug in one of those car chargers to charge your products and everything, which is pretty cool. And they do provide us a cable right here. As you can see, this one is a USB to USB-C cable, which is pretty awesome. They also have a little instruction guide right here to teach you guys how to jump start your car if you guys don't know how to. But underneath that, you can see the actual product itself right there. So let's take it out. Alright, so here is the product itself right here. Very nicely built product, as you can see right there. They have the logo right there in the middle. And then they have the button to activate the product right here, if you guys can see. So if I press the button, you can see that they have a percentage right there. It's hard for me to show you guys in the video right here, but it does say 79%. If you guys take a look right here on this side, you guys can see that this is where you plug in your USB-C cable to charge it up. And then right next to that is where you plug in this product right here, or this cable right here. Onto right there, you can use the car outlet to actually recharge your product, whether it be your phone or whatever. And if you guys turn it over this side, you can see that there's a flashlight right here. So I believe all you guys have to do is press the button down right here to hold it down. And as you turn on the flashlight, as you can see, it's super strong flashlight and everything. So when you guys use the flashlight, there's actually 3 different modes. So this is the first mode right here, but if you guys press it one more time, it goes like a flashing mode. And if you guys press it one more time, it's a faster flashing mode. And if you guys press it one more time, it just goes back to the normal flashlight. And if you guys want to turn it off, just hold it down and it turns off. And as you can see right here, they have some other outlets here as well. So I believe there is a regular USB and a quick charging USB, which is the one right here. That's either a quick charging one or a faster one, which is a 2.4 charging speed. And then the last thing that we have right here is obviously this outlet right here that you can plug in to jumpstart your car. So all you guys need to do is just plug it in like this right here. Just like that, and then just start using it to jumpstart your car and everything. But you guys want to be careful when you guys use it because you guys don't want to hurt yourself and everything. But as you can see that once you guys plug it in, there is a little number right here that you can see to see how much voltage is being charged while you guys are using it. And then when you guys are done using it, just simply unplug like this and just put it on one side for safety. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. I definitely like the overall build of the actual product itself. Feels really nice, super sturdy and high quality. So if you guys are wondering how much is in this actual portable charger itself, there's actually 21,000 mAh in here, so that's actually a lot of charge. That's basically used to charge your phones, your laptops, or whatever. But if you guys do charge your phone, I believe you guys can charge it up to 4 or 5 times. So now that we did a quick unboxing of the product itself, let me show you guys a quick test to show you guys how the actual product itself works, and we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. So let's start with the actual product right here first. So this part right here. So you just want to plug it into here first. And then you can plug in like one of these outlets onto here. So I'm going to use this one. You can see that actually does work. So let me actually plug in a few of these devices in here and see when it actually works or not. Alright, so first one we have right here, I'm going to plug it into my GoPro. See when not it actually charges. Alright, so it's charging. Let's plug in our next one. Alright, so I'm going to plug this onto my little hand warmer that we have right here. Alright, so we have plugged in. You guys can see that it's charging as well. Next, let's plug in our USB right here. You guys can see. So the USB is right here. So I'm plugging my USB onto here because this one is blue. I believe this one is the USB that has a faster charging option. So we'll put this onto my phone right here. And obviously you want to turn it on first. Alright, so you can see that's charging. So when you guys use these options, you guys want to make sure you guys activate this button right here, otherwise it won't charge. And when you guys look at the product itself right here, it also tells you guys the percentage and which one you guys are using. So right now we're using the USB one and also this outlet right here, which is the DC output. So next let's plug in another one of these output right here. So we use the second output right here. And we're going to charge our Anchor flashlight right here. So once you plug it in and press the button, you guys can see that it powers on and it's charging that product as well. And also on the product itself, if you guys look at it, it tells you guys that it's using USB 1, USB 2, and also this outlet right here, the DC output. So you guys can see right here, all these products are still charging at the same time. But let's test out one more output, which is the USB-C output, and see when that actually works. Alright, so I'm going to unplug this one for the GoPro to change this cable to plug in another one to see when it actually works with the USB-C output. Alright, so we're plugging in right here, and I'm going to be charging this pod right here, which is our tick pod right here. Plug it in right there. Alright, you can see the indicator light right there to let you guys know that that is charging as well. So all of them are still charging, but now we're going to test out the USB-C output right here. So plug it in right there, and then we'll plug it into our GoPro right here. Alright, so all these devices are all charging at the same time. They also let you guys know on the actual display screen right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 different devices are all charging at the same time, as you can see right here, which is pretty awesome. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the quick test of the product itself. You guys can see it actually does work, and it works quite well. The only thing that I couldn't test right now is the jump starter cable itself, because I don't have access to the actual car right now, or any car in general, so I can't really test that out. So I mostly have to do like an update video in the future for that option right there, but everything else does work, as you guys can see from the test. But usually for these jump starters, cables and everything, it usually does work. And it's actually a better result when you guys are using it when the car battery dies and everything. But now that we did unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I think these are actually pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these, especially if you guys are looking for a affordable and portable power bank that acts as both a portable charger and also as a jump starter set. Then this is actually pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have used one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have